Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI. Have you ever heard the phrase cold hands, warm heart? Well, I hope that to be true because my hands are always freezing cold. But now that I have this awesome hand warmer from Karecel, I don't have to have that problem anymore, but I still have the warm heart. This hand warmer is absolutely awesome because first of all, it is double-sided. So I love wrapping my hands around it and just gripping it and warming them up right away. It has 3 different temperature settings, which I really appreciate because I personally love that warmest setting. I love everything hot, so I really like to warm up my hands on the highest temperature, but I also allow my son to use this. So for him, it's more comfortable on the lower temperature. So I like having that option to change the temperature of it. What I really noticed when I put this in my hands was just how comfortable it was and how smooth it was. Now, this isn't just a hand warmer, it's also a portable charger. So I can plug my phone into it if I need to and get a little extra boost too. I thought that was just a really neat feature about this. I also like that the size is small enough that I can fit it into my coat pocket. So on those really chilly days, I just stick it in one side, hold my hands in there nice and tight, and it instantly warms my hands. So whether you have cold hands like me, or maybe you just want to make sure that you have something that you can rely on to keep you warm in the cold winter months, I would highly suggest checking out this awesome rechargeable hand warmer from Karecel. But that's just my point of view.